This part of Dalmatia was populated by the tribe called Liburnians, and they were known as notorious pirates during the Roman Republic, so it was very important for the Romans to pacify them. After this area was pacified and colonized, Romans built some of their own structures, and they built a whole city actually below the Liburnian city. What we see now in Colentum are the remains of Roman Villa Urbana, which was an object used for producing wine, olive oil, some food condiments and so on. And all those things were later transported into Roman cities in hinterland, like Scardona, Varvaria, and also a very important Roman military camp, Burnum, from which Romans led other expeditions into both offensive into Dacia, for example, but also defensive against the Germanic barbarians. Colentum, after the Roman times, was abandoned. Sometimes around 5th or 6th century. It wasn't until the Slavic or Croatian migration that Colentum began its history anew as a new city, or what we call it now, Murter. But during Venetian rule it remained just a small village like it is today. Colentum is only partly excavated. You can see only some structures in the sea and on the land. Our goal in the future is to excavate Colentum completely. Now the main problem with that is that many people own the land, which is Colentum now. Some 300 people own this land, and you have to pretty much go from one to the other and ask them whether it's okay to use the land for excavation. The local municipality and the local people are trying hard to turn Colentum into a tourist destination. You can see that the work has already begun on archaeological beach. We hope that's going to be finished the next year. And we hope that not just in tourist sense, I hope as an archaeologist that most of this site will be excavated and presented to the general people.